चलिए, so what we were discussing in the last class, morning class, we were saying कि change of order of integrations and change of variables. So change of variable, how to find out the limit, this has been discussed, and I think the problem is clear to all of you about change of variable. Do you have any problem in change of variable? Do you have a problem? No problem. चलिए. So change of variable is also clear. So let's do some problems. Okay. So I hope you understand change of variable. Yes. Change of order of integration, change of variable is clear. And now Dirichlet and Lively's problem. Dirichlet and Lively problems. Dirichlet and Lively's integral. Okay. What is Dirichlet and Lively integral? Basically, this is a double and triple integrals, and that is integration and dimension Euclidean space also. If you have a problem, double integration या ट्रिपल इंटीग्रेशन ले लेता हूं मैं, दैट इज ट्रिपल इंटीग्रेशन x raised to power l minus 1, y raised to power m minus 1, z raised to power n minus 1, that is dx, dy, dz. This kind of problems is there, and this is the reason omega. What is the omega reason? Omega contain the reason is set of all points in R cube such that x plus y plus z lies between 0 and 1. This is the problem, and the reason is in first octant. If you take double integration, that is in first quadrant, but if you take triple integration, that means this is in the first octant. If the problem is like this, then you can solve by Dirichlet integral. This is the Dirichlet integral. And what is the answer of this? The answer of this is gamma L gamma m upon gamma L m n upon gamma L plus m plus n plus 1. This is called the gamma function. Okay, this is the integral. Done. But the condition remains same. The condition is x plus y plus z lies between 0 and 1, and x, y, z, all these are greater than equal to 0. This is also clear. Yes. And if you have a problem of something like something extra function with something extra function like x की power l minus 1, m y की power n minus 1, z की power n minus 1, and function f of x plus y plus z, not fx y z, fx plus y plus z, and the reason is same. No, Liouville's, this is called Liouville's. And in Liouville's, you can say this x plus y plus z is lies between h1 and h2. The condition remains same. It is in the first octant. This is called Liouville's integral. This is the Liouville's integral. The answer is gamma L gamma n upon gamma n, L plus m plus n plus 1 नहीं आएगा यहाँ पर. Integration of h1 to h2 f of u and u raised to power l plus m plus n minus 1 du. This is the problem. So Dirichlet and Liouville's. Do you have any problem in Dirichlet and Liouville's? Yes. Hmm? Do you have any problem distillate and levages? Like morning we have a question in distillate when we have some questions like sometimes most of the time distillate and levages are easy. But sometimes you will feel that distillate and levages are not easy. Okay, no problem. Then don't use the distillate and levages if that is not easy. Okay, like in this question, morning we have done this question sine of x square plus y square. Hmm, ठीक है. ठीक ठीक है. So can you solve this problem by levages or distillate? You can solve, but just think when you convert x square plus y square, x square is equal to u, y square is equal to v, then convert the function, it will take more time. But when you when you solve this problem by the help of polar coordinate, the problem was easy. So in this problem, when you apply distillate and levages, it will be like some kind of like some difficult problems. Yes or no? Am I clear? So don't use distillate and levages, but here don't use directly. You can solve in less time. You can check. But a problem looks like this one. See the same problem. Now you have to use the distillate. You have to use the distillate leveling. -1 and x square. Otherwise, we have to move to the spherical coordinate. मेरी बात समझ रहे हो? We have to use the spherical coordinate system. Am I clear? In this case, x square is u, y square is v, z square is w. Put all these things and you have to put like dx dy dz value. Put and solve the value. Am I clear to you? Yes. Do you have any problem? Do you have any problem in distillate or leveling? बता दो भाई मुझे अभी. If you have any problem, because I am just teaching and you are not asking any question destructively. If you don't have any doubt, so I will move ahead. Next question. Yes. Find the answer of this problem. फटाफट निकालिए. This is the problem. And find the answer of this problem. If you don't have any problem. हाँ जी, आंसर बताइए। Pi by 10 is the wrong answer, Bill. The answer to pi by, pi by 2 pi upon 315. This is the right option. 2 pi by 315. This is the right option. समझ गए? ठीक है, एक क्वेश्चन और करिए जरा लीजिए. दिस इज द प्रॉब्लम. द नेक्स्ट प्रॉब्लम इज, देखो सिंपल सी प्रॉब्लम है, बट R is the reason in first octant such that x plus y plus z is less than or equal to 1. इसका आंसर निकालिए फटाफट. What is the answer of this problem? E by 2 minus 1. Yes, the answer is 1 by 2 of E minus 2. So both of the answer are correct, Manoj here. Very good. So I think you don't have any problem in Desolate and Lively. किसी का प्रॉब्लम गलत आया है प्रांशु, जिसे एज यू योर आंसर इज रॉन्ग. सो डू यू हैव एनी डाउट? क्या मैं आगे चलूं? ये समझ में आ गया गलत क्यों है? प्रांशु, डू यू हैव एनी प्रॉब्लम? किसी को प्रॉब्लम है इसमें? कैलकुलेशन गलत कर दिया, वेरी गुड, कोई बात नहीं. कैलकुलेशन मिस्टेक, यू हैव टू टेक केयर, बट इट मींस यू डोंट हैव एनी प्रॉब्लम इन दिस टॉपिक. सो हमारा चेंज ऑफ ऑर्डर ऑफ इंटीग्रेशंस ग्राफिकली एक्सप्लेन रफली. ओके, चेंज ऑफ वेरिएबल भी हो गया. नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू द सरफेस एरिया. ओके, roughly I have to explain why, bhai, why roughly? This is same very simple problem. If you see this problem, x की power half minus 1, y की power half minus 1. नहीं नहीं, x की power half मतलब 3y2 minus 1. वन minus x plus y की power 3/2. What is the answer? Gamma. गामा 3 और इंटीग्रेशन दैट इज 0 to 1 ना, x plus y is less than 1 तो 0 to 1 और fu मतलब 1 minus u की पावर 3/2 और u की पावर 3/2 plus 3/2 minus 1 that is 2 3/2 plus 3/2 is 3 3 minus 1 du. Now can you solve this integral? What is this? This is also beta integral. U की power 3 minus 1 1 minus u की power 3/2. Yes or no? This is problem simple. In the previous problem you can also solve the problem same this problem. This one x square is u, y square is v, z square is w. तो x sin u plus v plus w इस यहाँ पर जाएगा 1/2 root u 1/2 root v 1/2 root w. Okay, then u plus v plus w, then apply it relatively, then you will get the answer. Yes or no? Done? Yes. Any doubt? No doubt. So till now the problem is clear in the double integrations. Now our problem is of the surface and volume. The main problem is surface and volume. Done. So student, we are going to start the surface. Main important problem is surface and volume. So what are the topic remaining? Surface integral, volume integral, revolutions, and spherical coordinate, and volume in volume. We will have so many problems of different kind. Okay, revolutions, surface rotations, all these things we will discuss till tomorrow. It means tomorrow we will have one more session and we will complete our integral calculus finish. Okay, tomorrow we have class 9 to 11. We can take 9 to 11:30 or 12 maybe, so that our syllabus will be complete. Number one, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, most probably up to Wednesday, we will complete the last topic, that is group theory. The timing is 6:30 to 8, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. If there is some problem, then we can discuss on at most Thursday. So Thursday is 10th. So till 10th, we are going to complete our revision. Now you have 3 days, only 2 days, 11 and 12. 11, 12, you just remember formula. Do not study any new things in 11 and 12. Okay, on 11 and 12, and give your exam. I hope you will get best result. Okay, so yes, चलते हैं. ज्यादा लोड मत लीजिए इस समय. Right now we have only 1 week, है ना? Next Sunday we have exam. So don't take. Pransu, you want to say yes? You can speak.
सर मेरे साथ ऐसा हो रहा है इंटीग्रल कैलकुलस में, ये ऐसा हो रहा है कि मैं फॉर्मूला वैल्यू सब अच्छे से रख देता हूँ पर लास्ट में कैलकुलेशन मिस्टेक कर देता हूँ सर.
ये तो गलत है. इस चीज का सॉल्यूशन तो कुछ नहीं है, बताऊं तो इसका सॉल्यूशन तो ये है कि तुम्हें क्या सेटिंग चाहिए. जस्ट 1 मिनट. तुम ना रेज हैंड मत करेगा, बोल देगा डायरेक्ट. रेज हैंड करके तो सेटिंग चेंज हो जाती है. पर आंसर
ओके सर.
डाउट यू कैन जस्ट डायरेक्टली. देखो ऐसा है कि व्हेन यू आर डूइंग मिस्टेक ऑफ कैलकुलेशंस तो तुम्हें खुद ही करनी पड़ेगी. सही, होपलेस मत हो, जल्दबाजी मत करो. बिल्कुल पेशेंस से काम लो. मैं आपको एक बात बता दूं कि आप आज के समय में क्या फील कर रहे हैं, पहले बताइए. व्हाट यू आर फीलिंग, मतलब नाउ द एग्जाम इज ऑन नेक्स्ट संडे. नेक्स्ट संडे इज लास्ट. दिस इज 1 वीक. 1 वीक इज इक्विवेलेंट टू 1 डे. मैं आपको बता दूं कि लास्ट वीक होता है वो एक दिन की तरह ही होता है, बस निकल गया. सो हाउ इज योर फीलिंग, मतलब क्या लग रहा है, क्या कमी है. कमी अभी छोड़ दो अपनी सारी, मतलब अंदर से क्या लग रहा है आपको. व्हाट इज योर प्रॉब्लम.
अंदर से
वन बाय वन.
मनोज पहले.
यस
सर अंदर से यही लग रहा है कि पेपर आ गया, बस और कुछ नहीं लग रहा.
कोई डिमोटिवेशन माइंड में, यार मेरा नहीं होगा तो क्या होगा.
सर यही है कि जैसे मैंने अपने मतलब राजस्थान में ही एक कॉलेज है भरतपुर का, मेरा कॉलेज, उसमें मतलब कई को बोनस मार्क्स दे दी, मतलब 3% मिल गई। और जनरल की सीट थी सिर्फ 8 एमएससी में एंट्रेंस के लिए। तो वो 3% बोनस लेके नहीं हो गया औरों का, मेरा रह गया, मुझे नहीं मिली 3% बोनस। पता नहीं क्यों मिली उनको 3%। तो उसी का ही टेंशन है। अगर अब की बार अगर IIT हुआ तो मेरा क्या होगा, बस यही टेंशन।
दिस इज योर फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट सेकंड अटेम्प्ट?
सर फर्स्ट।
ऐसा है, भरतपुर में क्या करोगे, यू हैव सो मेनी ऑप्शंस, ठीक है, आफ्टर आईआईटी। डोंट बी मतलब लाइक डोंट बी थिंक अबाउट थिंकिंग ये नहीं मिला वो नहीं मिला, जो गया सो गया। राइट नाउ ओनली फोकस ऑन आईआईटी। नहीं हुआ तो क्या जी, नहीं हुआ तो कोई क्या होगा, ये तो कोई क्वेश्चन ही नहीं है। जब नहीं होगा जब देखा जाएगा, ठीक है ना। पहले से हम सोचते रहे, हमारे सामने प्रॉब्लम ये आती है, हम भी ये मतलब तुम्हारी नहीं मेरी प्रॉब्लम है, हम सोचते रहते हैं कि ये काम ऐसा हो गया, अब ऐसा हो जाएगा, ये हो जाएगा, वो हो जाएगा, ये हो जाएगा। बेसिकली प्रॉब्लम होती है छोटी सी, हम उस प्रॉब्लम को सोच सोच के बड़ा कर देते हैं, ठीक है। हम उस प्रॉब्लम को बड़ा हम ही करते हैं। तो क्यों सोच रहे हो नहीं होगा, रिजल्ट आ गया, एग्जाम दे दिया, एग्जाम देने के बाद पता लगता है क्या होगा, एग्जाम से पहले कुछ नहीं पता होता। सो ओनली डू प्रिपरेशन, डोंट ओवरथिंक, ठीक है। ओवरथिंक मत करो अपने आप को, जस्ट ओवरथिंक इन द केस ऑफ प्रॉब्लम just
So actually sometimes it happens that when the problems go on solving and solving we get confident, but one or two when they don't solve we get next time demotivated. Then how can we clear it?
So how many problems you solve, then you will have 2 or 3 problems you are not going to solve.
Yes sir.
First of all, you are doing solving some problems. Whenever whenever you will stuck, you will not solve the problem, then you will have a problem. This is obvious, this is the human nature. But why are you thinking ki I will not solve this problem in IIT exam? If you are not getting solved this problem right now at your home, just try to check the solutions. If you can understand the problem, then go ahead. Don't think कि मेरी ये problem नहीं solve हुई, अगर IIT में ऐसी ही आ जाएगी, the same problem will, the same level will come into IIT, then how will I do? So you are doing a problems which is already solved and you have seen the solution. So if this kind of problem will be there, then you can solve. This is only the like experience. When you have more and more experience, then you can solve most of the problem. So don't be think about कि ऐसा हो गया तो क्या होगा। तो if and but तो लगाओ ही मत कहीं भी, अगर ऐसा हुआ तो क्या होगा। अभी ऐसा कुछ ना तो हुआ है और ना कोई होगा, रिजल्ट छोड़ो, एग्जाम देने के बाद बताना कि क्या हुआ। डन?
Yes yes.
एग्जाम देने के बाद क्या हुआ
सर?
यस
सर राइट नाउ अभी मुझे भी ये हो रहा है कि अभी ये 5 दिन है, इसमें मैं अभी जो भी टॉपिक्स मतलब अभी कोई नया तो नहीं कर रहा हूँ, जो मेरे है मैं अभी जो नोट्स अभी मुझे कुछ लोगों से मिले तो, और वो टॉपिक यस मैं हूँ, यस ये टॉपिक मैं कर सकता हूँ, तो उनसे भी हेल्प मिली। तो अभी मैं उन्हीं टॉपिक्स को कर रहा हूँ जो मतलब जिसमें मुझे यस हाँ यहाँ पे दाल मेरी गल जाएगी, मतलब ये मैं ये टॉपिक्स कर सकता हूँ। और तो जहाँ तक बात है डिमोटिवेशन की, तो डिमोटिवेशन तो नहीं, पर एक चीज है जो मतलब जैसे बेसिकली आई एम फ्रॉम उदयपुर सिटी से हूँ, मेरी मूल हम ओरिजिनली राजस्थान के, तो वहां पे मतलब एक चीज हमेशा मुझे एक हिम्मत देती है सर कि मतलब हल्दीघाटी के युद्ध की बातें किस स्टोरी से बताना चाहता हूँ सर, प्लीज।
नहीं ये सारी बात ये सारी
सर मुझे ये सिखाया है कि मन के हारे हारे मन के जीते जीत सब, मैं इस चीज को मानता हूँ। और अगर नेगेटिव सोचेंगे तो नेगेटिव मिलेगा, पॉजिटिव सोचेंगे तो पॉजिटिव मिलेगा।
हाँ ये तो है, जो पॉजिटिव सोच के पॉजिटिव मिले या ना मिले, फल की इच्छा मत करो। पॉजिटिव सोच के जरूरी नहीं पॉजिटिव मिल जाएगा, नहीं, दुनिया में हर बंदा पॉजिटिव सोचता रहेगा, मेरी बात समझना। ये भी उम्मीद मत करो कि मुझे पॉजिटिव मिल जाएगा, उम्मीद ही क्यों कर रहे हो किस चीज को मिलने की।
सब प्रकृति को पॉजिटिविटी देंगे तो वो अपने को पॉजिटिविटी मिलेगी।
यस
सब प्रकृति को अपन जो देंगे, जो नेचर को अपन देंगे, नेचर अपने को वही लौटाएगा। अगर अपन
जरूरी नहीं,
अच्छा
जरूरी नहीं, ठीक है? जरूरी नहीं है कि आप दोगे तो आपको मिलेगा, ठीक है? ठीक है ना? मेरी बात समझो जरा, ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता है। आप पेड़ से फल ले लेते हो, पेड़ को फल मिलता है? कुछ नहीं मिलता। जरूरी नहीं है कि मिल जाएगा। सो डोंट थिंक एवरी टाइम कि आई विल गेट वट एवर आई विल गिव, आई विल गेट whatever I will give. This is my duty. I have sufficient, I can give. I have sufficient money, I have sufficient fruit, I can give. Don't think I will also get. If you have sufficient, why you will get? ठीक है? Don't think. Just बस सोचो पॉजिटिव, फल वल मत सोचो कि मुझे मिलेगा, मेरा सिलेक्शन होगा नहीं होगा, कुछ नहीं होना। ठीक है? अभी टेंशन आईआईटी में जाने की है, फिर आईआईटी में पढ़ने की टेंशन होगी, फिर जॉब की होगी, तो टेंशन तो जिंदगी भर लगी रहेगी। ठीक है? थ्रू आउट द लाइफ। सो यस, सो मेरा जस्ट 5 मिनट बात करने का यही मोटिव था। द पॉइंट इज कि यू शुड डू मोटिवेट योरसेल्फ। यस आई कैन डू ओनली। डोंट थिंक अगर ऐसा हो जाए, इफ दिस विल हैपन, I cannot solve, if I will not able to solve that paper in exam, what will happen? So what will happen will create some negative neurons, deactivate your neurons, mind neurons, which should not be deactivate right now, because this is the time when your like neurons, mind neurons is highly activated. Because मैं आपको बता दूं, when you are going to the exam, you are more intelligent than a teacher, because you know all these things. Okay, you are more intelligent than a teacher. Okay, yes, because you have done a lot of work.
सर एक चीज और होती है मेरे साथ, जनरली मुझे टॉपिक्स आ तो जाते हैं, मतलब मेरे 11th और 12th की बात है, सर ने एक बार मुझे बताया था कि जिनेश तुम्हें आ जाता है, लेकिन तुम्हारी ये नेगेटिविटी और ये टेंशन की वजह से तुम ये चीज हावी हो जाती है, जिससे तुम सब भूल जाते हो।
सरफेस एरिया। So be positive, everything will be positive. ठीक है? Just I'm saying everything will be positive, so for all the positive things. Yes. See, surface area. Surface area, मैंने आपको बताया कि what is surface area. Surface area like of a sphere, you know how to find out. Surface or area of a cone. But you had some problems in the curve tracing of 3D. 3D curve tracing, you had some problems. Yes or no? So 3D curve tracing, whenever we do some questions, we will discuss the curve tracing. ठीक है जी? So first of all, I want to tell you what is, whenever you solve surface area problem, we have two kind of problems. One is directly you will get one surface, and second is you will get one surface, and second is the boundaries. Okay, by the help of boundaries you will find the reason and you will find the surface. The surface is given definitely. See, थोड़ा ये टॉपिक्स थोड़ा सा अटपटा होता है, बट आई होप कि यू हैव ऑलरेडी अंडरस्टूड दिस टॉपिक इन ए क्लियर मैनर। पहले भी हमने पढ़ाया था इसको। Whenever you have some surface, I don't know what kind of surface you have. This is like this 3D something. Okay, you have this kind of surface. And the question is, what is the surface area? What is surface area? You know, surface area is double integration of ds. Surface area of any surface is double integration of ds. This is not equal to double integration of dx dy. This is not equal to double integration dx dy. Okay, am I clear? पहले मैं बात समझना, surface area is not double integration dx dy is the area, not a surface area. Yes or no? Yes or no? Double integration dx dy is the area of particular curve, region, area of region, whatever region you have. This is not surface area, not surface area. So surface area basically you have some k axis. Okay, sorry, you have a k vector. This is in the direction of z axis, and there is a normal of surface n cap, unit normal. Okay, and there is an angle theta. There is angle theta. Okay, there is angle theta. So theta is making angle from, theta is the angle which is from the normal to the k vector. It means from the z axis. So this is, I want to tell you, I am not going to give you a proof. I am just giving you key, that is ds of cos theta is equal to dx dy. ठीक है, am I clear? मैंने आपको थोड़ा सा इसलिए बताया, मे बी देयर इज सम क्वेश्चन विच इज something from this theory, direct some question, because IIT Roorkee can give some integral calculus paper. Okay, some question which is just basic. ds, this is you can remember. How, why, I am not explaining everything. I am just saying ds cos theta is the dx dy. Okay, so ds is nothing but dx dy upon cos theta. ठीक, now you know, I have discussed with you कि surface area is double integration of under root 1 plus and del z by del x square del z by del y square, that is dx dy. बताया था ना, ये बात मैंने बताया था. So what is this? If you say, sir, this is equal to double integration of ds, so you know ds equal to dx dy upon cos theta. Dx dy upon cos theta. Yeah, z is equal to fxy. Yes. So if there is some question, the cos theta is nothing but 1 upon under root 1 plus del z by del x whole square. ये मैंने इसलिए बताया है, that's why, because if somebody is asking the theta value, if somebody is asking theta value, then you can find out. Yes or no? Del z axis from z, there is an angle between the z axis to this one, that is cos theta. This is called the direction cosine, है ना? Yes. Am I correct? Am I correct? ये मैं थोड़ा सा बताना चाह रहा हूँ. Yes. Yes or no? Done. So आपको ये पता है, this is going back. You have any surface? Surface has normal. Normal has theta angle from the z axis, that is called, and theta. On theta you can find out the cos theta. What is cos theta? You should understand this one. ds cos theta is equal to dx dy. Number one. If ds cos theta is dx dy, then ds is equal to dx by dy, dx dy upon cos theta. Then cos theta is what is? Cos theta is this one. Will you remember this one? If somebody will give you like some question based on this also, so you can easily say, sir, this is the cos theta value. Okay, yes or no? Right. Now, what is surface? Area. Yeah, so you can write down like this also. Most probably we do solve the problem by the help of this formula only. But this is also formula. Am I clear? These formulas are clear. In this formula, one is called surface. A surface. By the help of the surface, you will find out the result. Del x by del y whole square, del z by del x whole square, del z by del y whole square. By that, other will give you the boundary. Okay? Yes. Second thing is whatever surface we are finding the surface. We are finding the surface only above x-axis or below x-axis, only one-sided. Sorry, above z-axis. Sorry, above xy plane or below xy plane. We are not interested in volume case. We can find out the whole volume, but in case of surface area, we just find out not whole volume. We just find out only the upper half or lower half. Okay. If let us consider some time, you see this is symmetrical about z-axis. Okay, like z positive, z negative. So what you will do? You will do 2 times, है 2 times in the surface area. Generally, you don't do this kind of things in volume, but in surface area you do this thing. Am I clear? चलिए कुछ क्वेश्चंस करते हैं. क्वेश्चन के बाद फिर आगे चलेंगे. Question number 1, like find the. अरे एक क्वेश्चन आता, find the area of the surface. Find the area of the surface. The meaning is surface area. If I write down here, question in IT is find the area of the surface. Which lies inside the cylinder. Yep. Cylinder means cylinder. Yeah, you have some circle of infinite length is called a cylinder. Circle of with z-axis infinite length plus minus, that is also called a cylinder. So can you find out the area? It means the surface area. Can you find out? The surface is given and which lies inside the cylinder. Yes. What is the answer? Can you find out the answer? First of all, tell me. Otherwise, I will discuss this question with you. Your 2 minutes is over. See, in surface area, it can take 4 minutes. So don't be worried about the surface area. This kind of problem will take. Not taking, this is 2a square 2 minus pi. 2a square. 2a square. The answer is pi minus 2. So you can match key by this is 2 minus pi is negative, na? Class. pi minus 2 answer is there. To find the surface area, find the surface area of the sphere which lies inside the cylinder. Cylinder is just a circle. Circle is x square y square is equal to 2ay, sorry, ay. So basically, first of all, you have to find out what is the cylinder, sorry, surface area. 1 plus del z by del x ka whole square. Del z by del x, that is z square is equal to minus x by a, x by z also. तो z square plus y square, x square plus y square on z square dx dy. Problem is x square y square plus z square is that surface which we have integrated. Yes or no? Now tell me one thing. Tell me one thing. This is the sphere which lies inside the cylinder. Cylinder is x square y square x minus a whole square, x minus a by 2 whole square. So x नहीं y, sorry, x square plus y minus a by 2 whole square. Is equal to a square by 4. So this is the cylinder. If you see the problem, circle is, I am just drawing the circle. Not this. X minus a by 2. So this is like this. This is the cylinder. Okay, this cylinder, if you see, this cylinder is like this. This is a cylinder, and you have a sphere. Yes or no? Done? Is it clear? Yes, is well. So tell me, मतलब मुझे बस थोड़ा सा यहाँ पर एक डाउट रहता है हम लोगों को, कि डाउट ये है कि आप इसमें 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करोगे, 4 से करोगे, क्या करोगे? अच्छा, whenever you have this circle, tell me one thing. This is in xy plane. This is in xy plane. Yes or no? And you have z plane. So what you will do? बस ये बता दो. This is the main thing, and you can do each and everything, because multiply by 2, 4. What is the limit? Only this is the question. Tell me, what is the limit? This is the major mistake. Okay, here you can do the major mistake. Otherwise, everything is fine. Basically, xy plane. Okay. Zero to pi, 0 to a sine theta. Okay, you in polar 0 to pi. Okay, you will do 0 to pi. Yes, this is okay. This is 0 and this is pi. Will you multiply by 2? See, you have xy plane. अगर सर्किल यहाँ पर होता, मान लेते हैं ये कुछ सर्किल होता, so you can say minus pi by 2 से plus pi by 2. Yes or no? Yes or no? See, I am giving you 3 example. If circle is here, minus pi by 2 से plus pi by 2. and circle is x minus a by 2 का whole square, let us consider, plus y square is equal to a square by 4, and r is equal to a sin theta, I think, है ना, a sin theta type something you can do, and x square plus y square is equal to ax. If I write down x square y square is equal to ax, x equal to a cos theta, sorry, a cos theta. If circle is this, x equal to 0, sorry, r is equal to 0 से cos theta. If you take this, r is equal to 0 से a sin theta. ठीक है, done, very good. In this case okay, in this case okay, in this case theta is minus pi by 2 से plus pi by 2, this is also okay. In this case theta is 0 से 2 pi, that is also okay. Whatever problem we are doing, that is 0 to pi. ठीक है, yes, 0 to 2, 0 to pi. Are we clear? Now the main problem is I am writing here double integration of a upon minus r square r dr d theta 0 से a sin theta, theta is equal to 0. Okay, so this is the answer. Will you multiply by 2 or not? Will you multiply by 2 or not? Yes, you have to multiply by 2. This is compulsion, because whatever we are doing, we are only doing the surface area which is only z positive, not z negative. But in if there is a z negative, surface is also there, because you have x square plus y square is equal to z plus z square to a square, so z square is equal to plus minus of under root of a square minus x square plus y square. So z can take positive and negative also. It means the both side you will have the same answer, because if you take if you change z by minus z, so upper half and lower half similar, okay, symmetric curve, okay, then you can say the answer is 2 times. So 2 times you have to multiply. So this is the main thing, when you have to multiply by 2, when you do not have to multiply by 2. Okay, it is done. And in the last problem, if the circle is like this, if circle is like this, the answer is r is equal to 0 to 1. R is not vary, r is equal to 0 to 1. R is equal to x square y square is equal to a square, so r is equal to 0 to r is equal to a, theta is equal to 0 to 2 pi. So is it clear? I have given 3 problem. One is on y-axis, you have a circle. One is on x-axis, center. One is on center as 0 0. So you have 3 different varieties of the problem. The answer is, answer is 2a square pi minus 2. This is the right option, Pranshu. This is the right option.
Sir,
Yes.
how do we know that the limit would be from 0 to pi, 0 to 2 pi, or pi by 2?
Your name?
Khushbu.
Khushbu. Yes. Number 1 problem is you are taking the circle x square plus y square is equal to a square. Theta angle 0 to 2 pi, r 0 से, basically this is the reason, not this is the boundary. r 0 से कर्व 0 to कर्व क्या है, कोई चेंज हो रहा है, कोई चेंज ही नहीं हो रहा. So r is equal to 0 to a only. There is no changing, because the radial information is not changing, not varying like this. This is some radial. So this is the curve. Okay, curve is varying, so that will depend on theta. So here that is not depending on theta. R is equal to 0 to a only. Yes or no? This is clear, Khushbu?
Yes, sir.
Second is x square plus y square is equal to 2ay. Let us consider. So what is the circle? Circle is this one. center a comma 0, 0 comma a, and radius is also. Yes or no? ठीक है?
Yes, sir, I got it.
So x equal to, sorry, r is equal to 0 to x square y square जो r square 2a y r sin theta 2a sin theta, and theta equal to here 0 to pi only. Okay? R is equal to put r is equal to 0 to curve, 0 to curve, 0 to curve vary depend on theta. So that's why 0 to a theta. Otherwise you can put that is r square is equal to 2ar sin theta. So answer is r square minus 2ar sin theta equal to 0. So r minus 2 sin theta is equal to 0. So it means r is equal to 0 and r is equal to 2a sin theta. This is also clear. And third one is Kushbu. Third one is also you. I think this is also clear. In this case, theta is equal to 0 to, so not minus pi by 2, so plus pi by 2. Yes. Anybody want to say anything?
Yes, sir, clear.
Clear ना? Okay. किसी और को कुछ और डाउट हो?
Sir, basically we will multiply by 2 for that mainly depends upon that we are including the positive z or negative z or both.
Yes,
For
yes.
that one we will multiply only.
Yes, yes, yes. If somebody is asking like find the surface area of this surface x square y square plus z square is equal to a square, where z is greater than equal to 0 it is given. So do not multiply by 2 because only surface is given upper half. And we are multiplying by 2 because this is symmetric also. If that is not symmetric, then we have to find out lower part also. But in IITism, they will not give like upper is different and lower is also different. That can be, but it will take time. Done?
Okay, sir.
Yes.
Sir, can you give one more sum regarding this surface integral?
Yes, yes. I am giving. See, sphere, you know, sphere is this one. Done. Okay, do you know what is the meaning of paraboloid? So x square y square plus z square is equal to this. Okay, do you know what is paraboloid? Basically, they are paraboloid. What is parabola? This is called a sphere because some student has problem in the curve tracing also. Like parabola is if somebody say y square is equal to 4x. That is parabola. Okay. In 3D, that is not a parabola. In 3D, this is called 3D. We have a paraboloid sheet. So what is paraboloid sheet? कोई मुझे बताएगा what is paraboloid sheet? See, we have a circle, then further circle, further circle, further circle. Okay, and there is a we can smooth curve we can join. So that can be a paraboloid sheet. See, if I say if I give you example of z equal to x square plus y square, is it paraboloid sheet? See, let us consider you have a plane. Okay, so if you take yes half cut of watermelon, yes, half cut of watermelon. So this is a half cut of watermelon. X square y square is equal to 1, 2, 3. So that is okay. This kind of sheet. So this is parabolic sheet. Yes or no? But if you paraboloids open on z-axis, yes, open on z-axis, yes. So if you cut somewhere, that is if you cut somewhere, what is this? That is closed parabola. Yes or no? Am I clear? See, this is not hemisphere. Just understand my point. Don't say this is hemisphere. Hemisphere is something different. Okay, hemisphere is something different. This is called z is equal to x square plus y square is equal to 0.1, then 0.2, then 0.3, 0.4. You are increasing the radius of xy in the plane. You are increasing. Okay, if you have this kind of, so I can say you have this kind of थोड़ा और तेजी से जाएगा ऐसा कुछ, इसे ऐसा करके पैराबोला मत करना. So parabola is clear. 3D paraboloid sheet. So you have one variable is, you can say this is a one variable open in z. You can write down y is equal to z square plus x square. That is you can write down. Okay, this is paraboloid sheet. So is it clear what is the meaning of paraboloid sheet? Because I will give you a question. This is z equal to. Now you can say like az. Yeah, kz equal to x square plus y square, and you can say two variable is square and one is single variable. That is, it means when you multiply a2, b2, 2z, 3z, 5z, something, anything, this is called parabolic sheet. Okay, one problem is this one. Number 3. Number 3 is like cone. What is cone? Cone is z square is equal to x square plus y square. 1 minute. X square plus y square z square. Why? Because when you take y0, like this kind of line will be there, na? Because z square is equal to x square, z is equal to plus minus x, है ना? So in y is equal to 0 plane, you will have some line, then further line, then further line. So whatever cone you will take, so cone equation is this one. This is called cone. If you multiply by something, this is not my duty. Okay, you multiply by like z is equal to 2x square y square, that is also cone, but slanting, the line is slanting, the slant will be, the angle will be like this type, wide cone. Okay, when you take angle x square z square is equal to 4x square plus y square, it means there is a more gap between that. Okay, so these are the major problem which you have, I think, faced. Paraboloid sheet, cone, sphere, hemisphere. Okay, yes. Now you can ask cardioid and cycloid, lemniscate, petals, all these things we will discuss tomorrow. Yes, बताइए जिनेश.
सर एक क्वेश्चन है. Let f is such that.
अभी क्वेश्चन भी और कराना है. Yes, let
f such that r square tends to r be defined by f bracket x comma y equals to y upon sine y is not equals to 0, or f x comma y equals to 1, y equals to 0. 1 comma y equals to 0. Then the integral 1 upon pi square integral. सर 1 upon pi square बाहर है. लिमिट है 1x, सर 1x equals to 0. 1 upper है. Upper limit is 1, lower limit is x equals to 0. Second integral.
क्या बोल रहे
अब मतलब एक और है सर, एक इंटीग्रल और था। अपर लिमिट है पाई बाई 2, y इक्वल्स टू साइन इनवर्स ऑफ x, f x कॉमा y dy बाई dx।
dy by dx?
यस सर, dy बाई dx।
अच्छा,
अपॉन नहीं सर,
dy dx बोलो, dy by dx
oh sorry sir, correct up to 3 decimal places is dash, correct up to 3 decimal places is dash।
हाँ जी, just solve करना। What is this problem? y upon sin y when y is not equal to 0. Yes, so this is the function which is given. You can find out the answer. So y upon sin y, can you integrate y upon sin y? So y is equal to sin inverse x. What is the reason? Reason is x. If you take x equal to 0, sin inverse 0, sin inverse 0 is 0. So 0 is the boundary point. In boundary point there is no problem. Okay, y is equal to 1. So have you done this problem? Anybody has solved this problem? I think this question is asked in IIT exam of some year, previous year ना। I think मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है ये पूछा गया है क्वेश्चन। Yes. कौन सॉल्व करेगा इसे? Dinesh, you can just change of order of integration and solve the problem. Change of order of integration and solve the problem. See,
सर चेंज ऑफ ऑर्डर ऑफ इंटीग्रेशन करेंगे तो ये y इक्वल्स टू साइन इनवर्स x, तो ये हो जाएगा x इक्वल्स टू साइन y और x इक्वल्स टू पाई बाई 2।
ऐसा हो जाएगा fx y dy dx.
अच्छा,
Basically, this is y upon sin y when y is not 0. Y is 0 here. See, when you take x equal to 0 to 1, when x equal to 0, so y is equal to 0 only. When x equal to 1, between 0 and 1, you will take this is not 1. So x equal to 0 to 1, this is an open interval you can treat. Because in boundary point or single point, the integral is always 0. Do you know this thing?
यस सर।
All of you know this thing? If we do not include the boundary point, even you can find out the answer. Yes or no? Even the function is continuous at this function is continuous at boundary point. If function is discontinuous even, अगर मैं यहाँ पर 0 भी लिख दूं, जब भी आंसर आ जाएगा। Basically, at y not equal to 0, limit of this is 1 ना, but the function value is not equal. If function is not continuous, if function is not continuous even, then even you can find out the integrations. Because you know Riemann integral theory says if function is not discontinuous at so many points, even the function is Riemann integrable. Riemann integrable means simple integrable, you can say. So even the function it is given this is continuous, there is no problem. Just change the order of integration and find out the answer. See, first of all, draw the region. What is the region? Okay. Y is equal to sin inverse x, y is equal to pi by 2. X equal to sin y. X equal to sin y. ये आएगा। Or can you draw the y is equal to sin inverse x graph? Sorry, don't do it like this. What is the y is equal to sin inverse x graph? Who will tell? Sin inverse x. Yes. यही बना दूं? This is okay. y is equal to sine inverse x. Is it okay? No. Why? Why no? Manoj? No, this is y is equal to sine inverse x up to pi by 2. So pi by 2 is 1.73. But basically this is sine inverse, this is pi by 2. Y is equal to pi by 2 sine inverse pi by 2. No. Y is equal to pi by 2 जब x equal to 1. This is okay. Yes, this is clear. I think this is pi by 2 only. This is 1. So you can remove this part. This is okay. Yes. And what is our question back? X 0 से 1. X equal to 0 से 1. So reason is this one. Can I say reason is this one? This is the reason. Y is lower than x equal to 0 to 1. Yes or no? Yes or no? जिसने भी आंसर निकाला है कैसे निकाला है? हाँ जी. So now you can change the order of integration, Jinesh. Take x first. Sorry, yes. Y first you have taken, but what I am saying y outside. You have to do integration y is equal to. So y is equal to 0 to 1. Why? मुझे नहीं पता. I don't know answer. Jinesh, what is the answer? 0.125. Y is equal to 0 से pi by 2. And x equal to 0 से sin y. No, sin y upon y नहीं. Y upon sin y. Sorry. Okay, upon sin y. Dx dy. Now you can solve the problem. I don't know what is the answer. I think this is okay. Everybody? Yes? Yeah. Done. Okay. Thank you. So, Dinesh, what was your problem? Dinesh?
सर सिर्फ मुझे ये समझ में नहीं आ रहा था कि मतलब वो ये क्या बोलते हैं अपने ये लिमिट्स को जैसे ये चेंज कैसे करते हैं मतलब ये ऑर्डर ऑफ इंटीग्रेशन को बस ये चीज में मतलब
रीजन ड्रॉप डन
ओके सर
चलिए ठीक है. Next problem, I am giving one more problem for. Okay, these problems are clear. Ki what is parabolic sheet, what is cone, what is sphere. These kind of things are clear. Okay. Now, the question is, find the surface area of paraboloid AZ is equal to x square plus y square, which lies between z is equal to 0 and z is equal to a. Now you have a surface z is equal to 0 and z is equal to a. When you take z is equal to 0, that is x square by y square is equal to a square. There is 0. So I think there is some problem like you have a parabolic sheet like that, na? I think this kind of 3D figure. Are you getting my point? Some seat is there. A z is equal to x square y square, and z is equal to 0. This is z is equal to 0. This is this point x. Z is equal to 0. Then x square y square is equal to 0. Then x square y square is equal to 0. Then x square to 0. Y square to 0. So this seat to this seat, beach area, because z axis is open, na. So that's why the examiner has closed the z axis. Just solve this problem. Now tell me what is the answer. Answer is will you multiply a square by 2? 5 under root 5 minus 1 by 6. So pi a square 5 under. Very good. The answer is correct. Pi by 6. 5 under root 5 minus 1. And a square तो आएगा. Answer में a square नहीं गया. Answer is given only a. I think there is some mistake in answer. Answer must have a or a square. आंसर में a क्यों दिया है? 0 to a हम लेंगे तो let us okay, we'll check. I think answer must be a square, but but my answer is only a, so answer is a square. See, now point is clear. This x square plus y square is equal to a square. Will give you the answer. Yes or no? Will give you the answer. Of the reason. Achha, will you multiply by 2? Will you multiply by 2 or not?
No, sir.
Because this is only upper half. Parabolic sheet is upper half. You know? Yes. So, do you have any other issue? Tomorrow we will take 2.5 hours, sorry, class, and we will complete the volume, surface, all these problems, spherical, and some polar, advanced polar problems, and there are some good problems also we will discuss and complete by tomorrow. किसी को अभी तक कोई डाउट हो तो पूछ सकता है अभी right now. Actually, I was worried about surface area. Now I am okay with it. Thank you. No, thank you. This is my duty. You are getting pi by 6, 5 root 5 minus 1. You are not getting a. See, in my answer, it is given only a, not a square. So just do further and solve the problem and tell me if a is there or not. Okay, a or a square. See, now surface area, I will give you some good question also. Tomorrow, Thanu, then you will feel good. Okay, you can solve most of the problem of IIT exam previously. No, all the problems for IIT exam previously, but most of the problem in 2022. Yes. So you, Thanu, you was absent, na? I think 1 month. What was the reason?
Sir, at that time, our college had regular internal exams and regular college. So,
okay.
and I was at first I didn't attend most of the college classes with full concentration. So, so I had to take notes for that. But now they had told it's online exam.
Exam, as I have actually there is some UGC notices, I think, circulating. UGC notice is circulating, and they are saying कि exam will be offline, है ना? But I have seen कि this UGC notice is fake according to me. Why? Because there is no date is given. I have that screenshot. मैंने स्क्रीनशॉट लिया है. मेरे हिसाब से तो एग्जाम ऑफलाइन ही होने चाहिए, ऑनलाइन ही होने चाहिए. See, I have a notice. There is nothing is given on, like, if there is a notice, then date must be given, na? But date is not given. On this date, the notice is given. So I think this is a fake notice. and students are confusing because our university is also saying offline exam, sorry, online exam.
Till Jan 5th, they said that there will be exams. So, and with regularly they conducted the model exams. So I was fully hectic with that. And the very next day they have said it's lockdown and you will have online exams. So I failed to attend the group theory classes, and I was a bit worried about that, sir.
No, group theory is clear to you also?
No, sir.
No. Actually, whatever we have done in the group theory, if you do all these things, then you can attempt 100 out of 100 marks in the group theory in the IT set. We have done a lot of problems. We have done a lot of problems, lot of good problems, good theory. Directly you can do questions within a minute.
Sir, can you tell me some of the basic concepts that we can learn in a short span?
No. You can speedily do group theory from December 1. Speedily. 1.25 speed, 1.5 speed. Wherever you know something, then skip and go off forward. Because there is no short trick of IITs and group theory. Yes. No problem, you can do. Within 2 days, you can complete the group theory if you want. Only full 2-day group theory, only group theory. Then, chaliye. So, student, we will meet you tomorrow at 9 a.m. In the integral calculus, and we will discuss some more problems, good problems also, in which you have confusion. I will take only that problem in which you have confusion. Okay, you will be confused. ठीक है? जिनेश, what is oh God? क्या हो गया भाई जिनेश? कैसे भगवान को याद कर रहे हो? एग्जाम आ रहा है तो भगवान को याद कर ही रहे हो, कोई दिक्कत नहीं. Yes, चलिए. So thank you very much, student. Bye bye. We'll meet you tomorrow at 9 a.m. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.